What's up guys, Mike Keto King here, and we're here to talk about fat burners and whether you should be taking them or whether you can take them on the keto diet. Short answer, yes. Okay, so it depends on the fat burners and what ingredients are in them. I've got these, which are Amp Nutrition's Hades fat burners, and they come and they are 4 main ingredients, which are green tea, l-carnitine, caffeine and cayenne. Okay, so very simple, very good, strong recipe, but most importantly, extremely keto friendly. So let's break down the ingredients. So we start with green tea. It's 210 milligrams per capsule, and you take 2 capsules in a serving in these ones, but obviously whichever fat burners you go for, just check how much you're getting. Green tea is one of the best teas to drink while practicing the keto diet. Many studies have shown that green tea extract can promote weight loss, blood sugar regulation, disease prevention and exercise recovery. It can also help your skin and liver stay healthy, reduce blood fat levels, regulate blood pressure and improve your brain health. So no end to the benefits of green tea itself, whether you're drinking green tea, I don't like it, or whether you're supplementing it. Superb. The next major ingredient here, the active ingredient, is l-carnitine, 175 milligrams per capsule. If you like this video so far, don't forget to hit like and subscribe and follow along the channel. L-carnitine is a chemical that's naturally made in the human brain, liver and kidneys. It helps the body turn fat into energy, which we know is what keto is all about. L-carnitine is important for the heart and brain function, muscle movement and many other body processes. L-carnitine is thought to be important on the keto diet because of high fat intake means more fatty acids need to be transported to the mitochondria for oxidization. Lots of words to Google in there, but check it out. Caffeine, of course, the next ingredient. We all know you can have coffee on keto. It's completely low in sugar, carbs and very keto friendly. So no problems there whatsoever and a great appetite suppressant. The last one is cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper is very low net carbs, rich in vitamins, minerals, and loads of health benefits with cayenne pepper. That's something you can Google very easily, and of course it's a pepper. It's not an issue on keto at all. So nothing within these are going to affect keto in a negative way. If anything, they're going to enhance your energy levels, your performance, your thinking power and everything like that. A great way to also stave off keto flu if you're just starting out. So yes, highly recommend fat burners. Personally recommend the Amp Nutrition ones because of their 4 core ingredients, nothing else added in there. I hope that was helpful for you, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.